So the set of natural numbers is defined as the set 1, 2, 3, and so on. So this is the set of natural numbers. So for a given natural number n, a partition of n is an increasing finite sequence of natural numbers with some n. So let's give an example. So let's say that n is equal to 3. Okay, how can we obtain 3 as a sum of natural numbers? And the reason we say increasing is so that we specify that the order really does not matter. So we're just going to take one set of such numbers. So for example, 1 plus 1 plus 1, and then 1 plus 2, and then 3. Okay, so these are all the possible ways in which we can write 3 as the sum of natural numbers. And here what I really meant was that 1 plus 2 and 2 plus 1 should be considered to be the same thing. So if we impose a condition on the sequence to be increasing, then this is not allowed, and we make sure that we have that we're counting our partitions in the correct way. Of course, a different way to do the same thing would have been to just say a finite sequence of natural numbers that has some n, and two sequences that are obtained by permuting them, that are obtained, are permutations of each other count as the same. So in this case, 1 plus 2 would be the same thing as 2 plus 1. So this means that when we find partitions, we don't need to make sure that the summands are in increasing order. What we have to make sure is that we don't find another partition that has the same terms in different order. So let's do it, for example, for n equals 4. So in this case, 4 can be written as 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, or it can be written as 1 plus 1 plus 2, or as 1 plus 3, or as 2 plus 2, or simply as 4. So this means that we have 5 partitions for 4 and 3 partitions for 3. So we will write this way, that P of 3 is 3, and P of 4 is 5. It's actually a quite pleasant task to try to write all possible partitions for small numbers, and you should try to do that yourselves. It's by convention, we set P of 0 to be 1. Okay, so this is just to that some formulas that we're going to encounter are going to be served. 0 is not considered to be a natural number, so we shouldn't even be applying the concept of partition to this number. However, we do so that some of our formulas work fine. And that's all.